Welcome to the Gluegun.com review series. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pro 9000A glue gun by Surebonder. The Pro 9000A comes with a powerful 200-watt heater that can melt just over 7 pounds of hot melt per hour. This gun weighs in at about 1.3 pounds, making it very lightweight and easy to use for extended periods of time. The Pro 9000A has a warm-up time of about 4.5 minutes. The Surebonder Pro 9000A comes with a built-in lighted on-off switch, magnetic stand, and built-in wire stand, making it easy to set down when not in use. We found the Surebonder Pro 9000A had minimal dripping when not in use, and the trigger was smooth when dispensing. However, the nozzle is not insulated like many of the Surebonder guns, and there is no stroke control to adjust the amount of adhesive dispensed on each pull. Like many of the Surebonder glue guns, the Pro 9000A comes with a built-in hole for a tool balancer. However, you may not need this feature because the glue gun is very light. Overall, we really liked the Surebonder Pro 9000A glue gun and thought it was an excellent value for its price point. To learn more or to purchase, visit us at Gluegun.com. Thanks for watching.